Namaste everybody, welcome back to the YogaCandi YouTube channel. Today I have a quick intermediate flow which is just the perfect way to either start your day or to just incorporate into your day, perhaps during your lunch break or something like that. So the quick intermediate flows is something that I seem to just get requests for all the time. I know there's a lot of you that just love the longer flows, but because there's been so many of these, I thought I would do a nice quick one for you this week. So it's going to be more minimal cue, so make sure you really understand yoga before doing today's class. But there will be some extra tips just here and there if needed. But otherwise, just make sure you know how to follow a flow just by listening to pose names and that you know how to modify for your body. All right, everybody, starting off in butterfly pose. Sitting tall, holding onto the big toes. Lifting the chest and engaging your Ujjayi breath. Finding some circles. And then coming on forward, just folding in down towards the ground. Come on up, keeping a grip of the big toes, just rest onto your bum, almost like a boat pose, but by holding the toes. Let's start to straighten the right leg, giving a little stretch through the right hamstring. And then straightening through the left leg. Maybe you can straighten both legs and just sit up nice and tall, keeping your spine nice and long. And then drawing your feet back together, find a Vinyasa. Meeting me in downward facing dog. Give your legs a little walk out. Lifting the right leg and opening up through the knee. And stepping into your lizard. Finding a bind, taking a grip of your right hand underneath the left leg, underneath the right leg. stepping into yogi squat malasana. Forward fold, wide-legged. Interlace the hands, allow them to fall up and over your head. Finding a twist, take a grip of the left ankle. Swapping sides. Back to center. Half lift and take a vinyasa. Meet me in downward facing dog. Lifting the left leg, open up through the hip. And stepping through into your lizard. Finding a bind, taking a grip of that left hand. Release, stepping back, yogi squat. Into a wide-legged forward fold. Interlacing the hands behind your back, non-habitual way. Allow them to fall up and over your head. Half lift. Fold. Mountain pose. Extend left leg. Warrior 3. High lunge. Come onto the tippy toes. Finding a reverse high lunge, taking your right hand to left leg. Inhale the left arm to the sky. Stay on the tippy toes if you can. Back to high lunge. Vinyasa. Down dog. Jump between the hands, half lift, fold, mountain, extend right leg, warrior 3, high lunge, come onto the tippy toes, finding that side body stretch, left hand, right knee, right hand up and over the ear, back into high lunge, and Vinyasa. Downward facing dog. Jump between the hands, half lift, fold, coming into chair, down for boat pose, open the legs, and coming down for wide-legged forward fold. Taking a side body stretch, left hand to the right foot, tilt the chest to the sky. Swap sides, right hand to the left foot, tilting the chest to the sky. Rolling all the way back to plow. And down into bridge or wheel pose. Wherever you are, coming down into a twist. You can take your legs into eagle legs if that feels good. Just breathe. And twist to the other side. making our way into our final resting pose, Savasana. You can stay here as long as you like, or you can end your class with me after just a couple of minutes of complete silence, listening to the breath, allowing all your thoughts to pass. You can stay here and continue meditating, or start to awaken the body, wriggling the toes and the fingertips, and then finding some circles with the ankles and the wrists in one direction and then in the other. Inhale your hands above your head, stretch the body. Roll over onto your side. And then slowly push yourself up into a comfortable seat. Taking the tops of the hands to the knees. We'll just take one together. Take your hands to your heart center, bow your head. Namaste, everybody. For those of you continuing meditating, just allow my words to pass. And for those that are ending the class with me, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this nice quick vinyasa, just sort of giving little stretches as well as building a little small amount of heat, getting you ready for the day, and hopefully just setting you in a little bit more of a calm mood, ready to enjoy whatever it is that is about to happen throughout your day. So guys, if you have any other requests, please let me know below. I don't always get round to doing all of them, but your ideas are always so wonderful. It's so great to incorporate them. And if you would like to find me on other social media platforms, just look for me on YogaCandi, on Instagram or Facebook. Links are below in the description. And you can sign up for my newsletter as well. So I hope to see you guys on there too. Have a lovely day. Namaste.